Hello everyone, this is Pratap Singh. Welcome to our channel Code Caddy. So in this video, we'll see how we can utilize arrays map method in our application. So let's move to console. So you can see there is a number array we have declared and I want to double up the numbers. So make sure to use map method with array only, okay, not with object and a string. Okay, so what I'll do, call the name of the array, so that is nums here. So I'll call it nums, then map, simple, and then we'll pass a callback method like this, and here I'll get a parameter, like name it like a num for now. And that's why, because here you can see there is a 1 2 3 4, we'll get all the numbers inside this num, and I want to double this number, so I'll call it like return num, then multiply by 2, simple. So you can see all the numbers get doubled up. So that's how you can utilize this nums method, sorry, this map method in our application. And I'll provide you one syntax, like if you don't want to write return statement, then you can directly call map, then call back num, then directly num multiply by 2. That is nums, not num, that's why that error was coming up. Okay, so yeah, you can see you'll get the same thing with this syntax, but make sure if you are having some complex logic, then you have to write in the format of this, because you cannot write the complex logic in a single line. Okay, that's why. So okay, let's come to React and see how you can utilize this map method in your application. So you can see here we are having a drop down whose data is not coming up. So what I'll do, if I'll show you like how this data is coming. So I'll come here inside my VS Code, then you can see we are having this API call, and inside this API call I'm just setting this state which we have declared on the top, and we are just passing the same state here. Okay, like this state is here, but problem is that if I'll open this, that I want a data in the format of object in label and value. Okay, if I'll show you the console, let's move to here and just console this. So if I'll console this, then you can see my data is in the format of a string like this, but we have a requirement of data in array of object. That's why we'll manipulate the data. We'll see like how we can do this. So just copy and paste it here, and I'll write it like dot map in the same format. Okay, and then call back, then there is a n, because sorry, there's a category, that's why we'll name it C for now. Then I'll return here and return an object. Okay, so and for each object, what do we want a label and value. We have already seen, I'll show it again, label and value. That's why what I'll say, label, and then we'll directly pass C, because that is already a string. Okay, so C, then again in the second line we'll see value, then C, save it. So if I'll show you console now, so this is my previous data, and now after converting it, you can see label and value in the format of object. So that's the thing I was talking about, and I'll just pass S to my state variable. Now you can see if I'll open this, then you can see you can find out each and every data here. So that's how this is one way of utilizing this map method. So I'll remove this and show you another example. So just collapse this and remove this, then remove this and uncomment this and uncomment this. Okay, now I'm having another component, product list. Okay, cool. Then I'm having products here, and for now I'll pass this empty string so that it won't break if there is no data. Okay, now if I'll console this one, so you can see I'm having data in the this products. Okay, so I'll call it x dot products. So I'm right now I'm getting array of objects. So that because for calling this map method we have requirement of array, that's why we are saying x dot products. Okay, now if I'll pass x dot products directly to my state variable for the products and pass this product to my component. Let's save it. So you can see I'm getting the cards, but the data is not rendering. Why? So let's come inside this component. You can see this is my interface where I have requirement of array of product that contains product and name. Means the object should contain product and name, and if I'll open each object, then you can find it out like there is only price and the title, there is and nothing like product name and amount. So for that, what I'll do, I'll use map method in the same manner we were doing. So map, then for one object I'll name it P, and what I have to do, we have to return an object the same manner. Okay, and we have returned a product name, that's why I call it P dot title, because this is object. You can see this is one object and I need this title, that's why P dot title. Then in the next line I need amount, that's why P dot price, like this price. So if I'll save it, then you can see I'm getting the data. Okay, so let's manipulate this data. Let's say we want the data like in rupees. Okay, so I can do this also. Okay, and I have to come inside the component, and I'll, if there is no, okay, that works, I'll remove this dollar, refresh to be fixed. Okay, we'll remove this thing to fixed. Okay, now if I'll refresh, yeah, you can see I'm getting rupees also in the format of rupees. So if you want to manipulate the data inside the same traversing of the array, then it will also work. If you want like something like here, if you want like title, something like this. Okay, so you can see I'm getting this title here itself. So that's how you can manipulate data inside the map method itself. Okay, so yeah, that's all for the today's video, and if you like the video, then please hit like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.